Hi, I am Rodrigo. I'm the creator of Linamp. Linamp is a physical music player inspired by old school music software, namely Winamp, and also old school stereo or hi-fi systems. So, to turn on Linamp, I will use the button of the back to turn it on, and it will boot right into the Linamp interface. Okay, once we're on the Linamp interface, you will see that here we have an indicator which says on which mode we're in. Right now we're on the file mode. You can click the logo here and you will see the different sources or modes that we have. We have file mode, which it's used to play music files either from USB or from a network attached volume. You can also use the CD player if you have a CD player like this one connected via USB. You can use Bluetooth and also Spotify via Spotify Connect. So in the file mode, we can click the eject button and we will get to the file browser. Here you can see we have a USB folder. If you connect a USB drive via the USB ports in the back, it will be mounted here, so you will be able to see the files there. You can also have some music files inside the Raspberry Pi file system that will also work. Or, as I have here, we have 3 folders that I mounted from an SMB network. It supports SMB and also NFS, or basically anything that Linux would support. You can use that as long as you know your way into the Linux command line. Right now, let's play some music. I have some sample files here that I can play. And the way you add files to the playlist is that you select the ones that you want, and then you click on this arrow button, and those files will be loaded, and it will start playing. So if we go back, you will see that we're actually playing right now. You will see that we have the kilobits per second indicator. That's the bit rate of the music file that we are playing right now. It supports the main music files that you have: MP3, AAC, FLAC for lossless. Basically anything that you throw, it should support it. You can also see some information here. If we have something that is longer name, let's see if I got something here. It will scroll. We got also the volume, so you can change it and you will see that the bar changes color according to the volume, and also the balance. Same with the balance, and you see the level of balance or level of volume when you are scrolling in the display here. You also have the shuffle and repeat buttons. Those work as you would expect. Now let's stop here and let's go to another mode. Let's try CD mode. So actually you can be in file mode or any other mode, and whenever you insert a CD, it will automatically go there. Let's do that. Okay, so I will insert a CD, in this case this one, and let's see what happens. It should automatically detect it, and then we'll also try to get the CD information from Music Brains. Yeah, so you can see it correctly detected the CD, and it also got the music information, the track information from Music Brains, and we could really start playing without issue. And to eject it, you just click on the eject button, and it will do it. Now, same thing with Bluetooth. So If I connect to it via my smartphone, I can select Linamp and it will connect. See that it connected, it detected it, and now it also shows information of what we are playing, and I can actually control it from here. I could start playback here, and this is coming from my phone. Now let's try Spotify. Same thing here, I'm on file mode. If I go to my Spotify, I can select Linamp, and it will connect and start playing. And that's it. Those are the main functionalities of Linamp. Thank you very much. Currently have this Linamp connected to this amplifier via RCA jacks, and also have it connected to this CD player that is an Apple SuperDrive. Let's see some of the connections. So let's look at the connections. So we have this couple of RCA jacks that are connected to Linamp via this 3.5 millimeter jack adapter. It gets connected here. A little bit hard to do it with the camera. And here we also have this power button. We have an Ethernet jack and this USB-C power connector, and this USB-A connector, which is currently connected to this USB hub, which is a powered USB hub that I'm using to power the CD drive, because the Raspberry Pi itself is not able to power it correctly. So, if you want to build your own Linamp or just support the project, you can get the Linamp DIY digital pack from store.linamp.org. Thank you very much.